Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Guess what we're doing today? We're making sliders, but salt-free.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey guys, you miss certain fast food things like sliders? Well, let me tell you, you gotta avoid them because there's so much salt. Yeah, there's 1,000 milligrams of sodium in one slider. So, I'm gonna show you how to make sliders that taste just like them, but without all the salt. Okay? Come on, let's go do this. So basically, what these are steamed onion burgers. First thing you're gonna do, I sliced up a large onion, okay? Yellow onion. That's about the best one to use. Or a white onion. You can use those too. Get it diced up as best you can. Without them moving all over the place. All right, I'm gonna put them here. Now, all right, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some water in our pan about 1 inch deep, okay? Then we're gonna take some black pepper, put in about a teaspoon. We're gonna take some onion powder, put in the same amount, okay? We're gonna put our onions in and get them started to boil. Make sure the onions cover the entire bottom of the pan, because we're gonna put the meat over top of this and steam them. Now let's get ready and put the meat mixture together. I've got 1 pound of ground beef I'm putting in the bowl. I'm putting in, crumbling them up now. I think I might just do one because I only got 1 pound of ground beef. I'm grinding up a slice of bread to get that filler taste they put in it, okay? All right, now I'm gonna put in my onion powder. My black pepper. Mix it well, okay? So everything is incorporated. Now that it's mixed almost to perfection, if I say so myself, put in 1/4 cup of milk or 2% milk. Okay? Now keep mixing it up again. I was mixing it before for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna mix it again for another 5 minutes. In fact, it's a little dry. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I've added a total of 1/2 cup now, okay? All right, that's good. Now that I got this meat mixed, you wanna take your meat out, put it on a pan, tray or something, and put it as flat as you possibly can. Because we're going to steam them and they have to be thin so it'll cook all the way. And try to use something non-stick so that you'll be able to transfer it, because transferring it into the skillet is the hardest thing to do, but I'm going to show you a trick on doing that. Okay? Try to mold it into a square the best you can. We're going to cut squares. Oops. If they're not perfect, it don't matter. They aren't perfect when you get them for White Castle either. Oop, I mean that castle that's white. All right. Now, in each burger, poke about 5 holes, 2 in each corner, 1 in the center. The holes let the steam come through and let them cook evenly. And this is a little one. That's okay. We ain't gonna worry too much. That's all right. Now, scoop them up one by one and put them on top of your onions so they'll steam. And I got a little space over here for this little one. All right, we're gonna let these steam until they're brown all the way, okay? For at least 10 minutes or so. Cover them. And then we're gonna come, as soon as these are done, and be right back. All right, nieces and nephews, they are done. They smell good. So I want some cheese on a couple of them. And this lets you know they're only putting half a cheese slice on these things and charging you for a whole slice. So some I'm gonna have American cheese. And on the others, I'm gonna have pepper jack. Excuse me as I reach in front of the camera from the cheese over here that didn't want to cooperate. All right. You know how they got those ghost pepper burgers? Well, here we go. This is the secret. The cheese. In fact, one, I'm going to combine them. See, now this way, you can do what you want to your burgers. Have them the way you want them. All right. We're going to take our burger. Get us some onions. Oh, yes. Put on top. Now, I like pickles, so I'm putting some pickles, because I can do that. And I like ketchup. Now, some people put the mustard. I'm not a mustard fan. But, boom. There we have it. A little slider. You take the first bite. Ooh, look at this, y'all. They're hot, ready and steaming. I don't know where to start. Hold on. Wow. Yeah. Oh, by the way, these have the same effect as the regular sliders. You know what I mean? These are delicious. You can enjoy them now with all of the salt. I got my fries over here going. I'm about to dish them up and have a nice meal tonight. By the way, I want you to like, comment, subscribe. Oh man, you gotta try this. You're gonna be so happy you did. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.